Now at the moment we have the microscope focused upon the tourbillon portion of the tourbillon carousel in order to explain what a tourbillon really is. And the first thing you may notice is the color. And the color of the cage, as you see it right here, looks black. In fact, it's not black, because when it's directly lit, what is a mirror finish actually looks black. So the black we see here is in fact quite shiny when you see it in the light correctly. Now what we're looking at the moment is the tourbillon turning. This is the cage that you see by my finger, and it's carrying the balance wheel at one end, and it's carrying the escapement at the other end. Now the first tourbillons that were constructed with the balance wheel centered in the cage, and were constructed with bridges on top and bottom. Now Blancpain, when it constructed its first tourbillon, decided to take some risks and bring some innovation into the construction. And there were two innovations which were part of what Blancpain created when it built its first tourbillon. The first was to eliminate the top bridge. Now why was that done? That was done in order to increase the visibility of the tourbillon components. Of course that's more difficult, because now instead of suspending the rotating components between two bridges and two bearings, top and bottom, everything had to be suspended from the bottom, in this case via ceramic bearings. And Blancpain brought another invention to the tourbillon, which is that it decentered, as you see here, the balance wheel, and decentered the escapement. Now why was that done? That was done to create a thinner construction, because with the balance wheel centered, naturally more components have to be fitted between the top and the bottom of the tourbillon cage. By decentering, Blancpain was able to eliminate some of that extra thickness.